Hey guys, Jerbal here with the Rowdy's YouTube channel. Today we're doing a custom DIY flat tailgate panel on this 3rd Gen Tacoma. And so in order to take the original panel off, you just need a ratchet with a T30 Torx bit. And once you get that off, you're just gonna use whatever material. We're just using plywood to cut it with a jigsaw to size. And then you can use a drill so you can drill some holes that match up with the distance of the screws in the original setup. And then we're gonna spray paint it white to match the truck. You can use whatever color you need. And then we're gonna go ahead and just reattach it so the tailgate panel is flat. All right, now we got all the screws out in the original tailgate panel, and it just pops right out. All right, so we got a piece of plywood, and we're gonna go ahead and measure it so that it matches with the original specs of the tailgate cover that comes with the Tacoma, and we gotta make sure that the holes are the same distance. So all we did is measure the length and width of this tailgate panel, and we're gonna cut this piece of plywood and then drill the holes. All right guys, so we got this piece of wood for the tailgate panel cut to size, sanded, and all of the holes drilled for the screws, and it's all ready to go. All we need to do is paint it, and then we're ready to screw it back into the tailgate. Alright guys, so in order to put the screws in for the tailgate panel, the screws go into this square plastic nut that's recessed into the tailgate panel, and when you try to put the screws in, sometimes that plastic nut will pop out of the tailgate, and so you have to put pressure down on the panel while you screw it in so that the nut doesn't pop out. Alright guys, we just got this project wrapped up. We got this custom DIY tailgate panel screwed in to the original setup. Now we have a nice flat area for when we go camping. We can set up the stove and set down drinks and have a nice table set up. Come check us out for the next one. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave some comments down below. See you on the next one.